Welcome to our last video where we discuss file handling, including how to open, close, and use files for reading and writing. Why do we need to store data in files? This is because computer programs store data that will be required again in the file, while any data stored in RAM will be lost when the computer is switched off. When data is saved to a file, it is stored permanently. Data stored in the file can thus be accessed by the same program at the later data or accessed by another program. Data stored in the file can also be sent to be used on other computers. The storage of data in files is one of the most used features of programming. Every file is identified by its file name. In this session, we are going to look at how to read and write a line of text or a single item of data to a file. Here is a program example of writing a line of text to a file and reading the line of text back from the file. My file equal open my text txt mw means opening the file name my text txt for writing, represented by the variable myFile. Use the variable textLine to access the input text. Then use myFile write textLine to write the textLine to the file, and use myFile close to close the file. Then use myFile equals open my text txt r to open the file, but the difference is that r is used here to represent reading. Then textLine equal myFile read means using the variable textLine to access the text read from the file, printing the textLine and closing the file. After execution, you can enter a string of text on the screen, such as Hello Mary. We can find my text txt and open it to see if Hello Mary is written on it. The last exercise is to write a program to copy a line of text from one text file to another. The following is the text1.txt provided and the contents of the file. The magic is all here in the complete A-file collection. First, you need to open the file text1.txt for reading. Then store the read text in the variable textLine. Print the textLine and close the file. Then open text2.txt for writing. Write the variable textLine into the file. Print down to indicate completion of writing, and then close the file. You can see that we have prepared a text1.txt. That is, the magic is all here in the complete 8-file collection. After execution, you can first see the text of text1.txt on the screen, and then you can see now. After finding text2.txt, open it and you will see the magic is all here in a complete A-file collection on it. All the above lessons in Chapter 8 are over. In this chapter, you have learned about declare, use, and identify appropriate data type for variable, and understand and use input and output, and understand and use the programming concept, selection, iteration, totaling, counting, and string handling, and understand and use arithmetical, logical, and Boolean operators, and understand and use procedure, function, and library routines, and write maintainable programs, and declare, use, identify appropriate data type for read and write arrays with 1 and 2 dimensions, and store data in the file and retrieval data from a file. Thanks for listening.